Thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Before you get started, hit the like button and please subscribe if you like the content.
Alright everybody, in today's video we're going to clean the throttle body in a 2014 Kia Soul. So as mentioned, we're going to be cleaning the throttle body in a 2014 Kia Soul. The throttle body is, I've never done this before, I didn't look this up on YouTube, but just knowing cars, I know the throttle body is normally connected to your air filter. I know this is my air filter canister right here. And the air goes in, which pumps air into the engine, and the mixture of air and gas allows your engine to run smoothly, right? Most of the time, if you start feeling some stalling when you accelerate, or if your car is stopping at like a stoplight, and when it's time to accelerate, it's a little slow or shaking, probably because this is dirty and the air and gas mixture is not good. Most of the time, it's either that or one of your spark plug coils are not functioning properly. In a previous video, I changed the coils, I changed the spark plugs. Now we're going to do the throttle body. I'm really assuming it's going to be right here. We'll find out together, because the air filter filters the air that goes into the engine. So I'm definitely assuming it'll be right here. Okay? Now, in order to do this, you just want to pop this up. You got 4 grommets that hold them. Take that lid off, and you got 1, 2, 3, 4. Like I said, as mentioned earlier, I haven't done this before, but just looking down here, where my fingers touching, looks like a Phillip head. So I got a Phillip head screwdriver. I'm just going to turn that. Don't want to get it too loose. Boom. That pops right out. Another thing I'm going to do, see that? That filter wasn't down all the way. But anyway, let me pop the filter off. So I popped the filter off. Let me look at my air filter while I'm here. Yeah, I might need to change that shortly as well. So this is the filter that filters the air that goes into your throttle body. That's the throttle body, as I assumed, connected to the engine. You can see a little black, just a little dirt buildup. You don't want to manually open that, okay? You want the engine to kind of open it itself. If you manually open it, you can cause some damages to the sensor, and your check engine light will come on. Most of the time when you clean that throttle body, you get extra air coming in, so sometimes your check engine light might come on after for a little while. But try to sit the camera somewhere over here, and that's a good shot. So now that I know I got a spot for that, I'll go inside the vehicle and show you what I'm about to do. In order to open that, I'll show you what I'm doing inside, and I'll come leave the camera here, go back inside, and do it so you can see what happens when I do it, okay? Let's go. Now, here's a trick. Got some 40-pound dumbbells here because I'm by myself doing this. But if you got somebody else, somebody could be in the car and keep their feet down on the gas. I don't. I got a 40-pound dumbbell. I'm gonna try to get on this. So that should keep the throttle body open. Okay? So instead of on ACC, you want to have it on. Don't cut it all the way on, but there's an on button right there. Okay? So we'll do this again. Let's try this again. Now, with the key on, I'm going to step on the accelerator a few times, and hopefully this should open up. I thought it was opening up, but this is a trial and error, okay? Y'all gonna walk this out with me. So now that should have been opening and closing. So you don't want it on ACC, you want the key turned to on, but don't cut the engine on all the way, okay? Now, with that open, what I have is a throttle body and air intake cleaner, okay? Put that back right there. Got some good old paper towel. All right. You can use some cloth if you want to, clean cloth. Fold that up, spray it on there. Don't use anything else to clean this. You want to use the right thing. And now you just want to wipe. See that edge on that? You want to wipe that as well, because there's a lot of buildup there. See that? A lot of buildup. I'm just getting some more paper towel, new paper towel, spraying some more of this throttle body cleaner on here. And just repeating the process. Try to get it as clean as possible. See that? That's all the dirt that goes back in your engine and affects the mixture of air that mixes up with your gas. Look at that. So imagine that being mixed up with your gas. Just don't get a better, a good mixture of air and gas, and it really affects the acceleration One last time, okay? This is one time for your mind right here. Some people don't use no cheap paper towel. Sometimes it's better to use cloth actually, because of the residue in the paper towel. Don't want that falling in your engine. Do as I say, don't do as I do, people. I gotta give y'all good advice. Alright. That should be good to go. I'm just gonna lift up my dumbbell from the accelerator. And you see that's dirty on the outside. I don't want to touch that at all with any pressure, but I do want to wipe it down. So very gently, you try to wipe that down, that cover. Just to get all the dirt you can get out of that. Don't want to push it. Don't push it, y'all. Push it, it's gonna snap on you. And that's done. You can change the air filter, but that's not what this video is about. So you just get the cover back in. Just gotta try to work it down there, you know. Just wanna work it in. See how far back it was. A little shiny piece. Want to get all that in there. Boom. Just like that. Make sure you're all the way in. All the way around. Make sure you're well rounded, you know what I mean? Can't be half stepping out here. So now, lefty loosey. Righty tighty, right? Y'all ain't rookies out here, you know how it goes. I want to get it as tight as possible, because that's the air that goes and mixes up with your gas. You don't want dirt going in your engine. So tight as possible. Got paper towel flying with the wind blowing. Take your air filter. See this part right here? Needs to go underneath that. On both sides. So down. And then snap that back on, back over there. This needs to snap on. Need a little pressure. Boom. And there's a second one over there. That one right there. Press, snap. Alright, should be good to go. Fire in the hole. Good to go, y'all. So, last but not least, put your cap back on. Snap your 4 garments back in. Always look for one. You should get one. All of them should be aligned. that's it. That's how to change the throttle body cleaner on the 2014 Kia Soul Plus. Hope this was well, you know what I mean, informative. Hope you can use this information to work on your own car and save you a whole lot of money and get your engine running smooth, okay? Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share the video. Have a good day.
Hello again. Thank you for listening to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to drop the video a like and subscribe to us if you're new. Drop us a comment and let us know what you think.